Hello guys, what's up, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Mashang. Right here I have to put a reaction out for this picture right here. Okay, it say that if you look at how these things work, it say a poor father available for the kid is better than a rich absent father. All right, so if you are a parent, you are poor and you still care for your children, I think you are more richer than a rich dad who does not care about his or her his children. So I think this is very important. If you look at the picture, okay, the man is trying to uh, take uh, his or her kid to school. So I think this is the most amazing thing. No matter what you are having right now, whether you are poor or you are rich, what is important is that you have to care for your children, and this is what this picture is about. So we should care a lot. So you should care about your children. It means that you as a parent, I think it's very important for you to care for your children, especially African men. They do not care. You can see African dad going out in the morning and then come back in the evening when all the children are asleep. So they do not have a time indeed for their children. And what put us into that? Into the position. So it means that the parent of African, they do not care. So if you are a poor parent, you care for your children, you are better than a rich dad who does not care. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you. So that is what I have now.